Alright, so once again, a blessed and appreciation everyone. Welcome me here on the first birthday celebration with Aliyah. Right.
I just wanna dive into the blue.
Happy first birthday, Aliyah!
Don't let the moment pass us by. Just
Hi Aliyah, happy first birthday. Wish ko sa'yo na sana lumaki ka ng masigla, ng malusog, walang sakit. And always na sana mahalin mo ang Diyos. And mabigyan ka kasana namin ng magandang kinabukasan, Aliyah. Pag-pray natin yan. Many more birthdays to come. Andito lang kami lagi para sa'yo na handang tulungan ka.
out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I just wanna spend every day with you.
Stay good, girl. Dito lang si Mommy at Daddy para sa'yo. Lahat gagawin namin para ibigay sa'yo yung kinabukasan na nararapat. Sana magkaroon ka ng takot sa Diyos at may galang sa mga magulang mo. We love you, baby!
Love you!
Love you!
Ah!
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Thank you po sa lahat ng mga pumunta sa birthday ni Aliyah. Alam namin na
Na nagbigay kayo ng time
Nagbigay
para
kayo.
sa amin, napumunta kayo dito. Maraming salamat at nakapunta kayo kahit na busy sa buhay.
thank you po sa lahat ng relatives namin na pumunta dito. And yun po, maraming salamat.
Sana let's enjoy. Enjoy po.
This is the good life.